Most hairstylists are still guessing their pricing. But what if I told you there was a way to stop guessing and actually start running your numbers through an assistant that was built for us? Not a generic AI, not another booking system, but answers that make sense behind the chair. This is Liquid. Think of us as ChatGPT Plus, but specifically for hairstylists and salon owners. It's not giving you a cookie cutter advice, it's taking your numbers and our pricing calculator and showing you what to do with them. And the best part, you can even ask it what ifs that come up every single day in your salon. So today's question is, should I price by time or by service? How does this work? You've already entered in your expenses, your hours, your dream income into our pricing calculator. Now we're going to connect to the AI business assistant. Instead of guessing, I can ask, what happens if I price by hour versus a flat service rate? Let's see what it says. We're going to click Pricing Assistant. And in seconds, it's going to show me both with the math behind it. That means you're not relying on someone else's opinion or industry averages. You're getting custom answers based on your business. So let's see what it says. Great question. Switching your hourly rate protects your time and makes sure you're paid fairly. While flat rates are often easier for clients to understand up front, so let's give you your numbers. So it tells you how much you need to cover your paycheck and your bills. It tells you your break-even point per hour, which is the minimum you should be charging, your profit recommendation, which gives you an extra cushion for savings, and then it gives you two things to compare: a flat rate, what you're doing now, pros and cons, an hourly rate, what you're doing now, pros and cons. Many stylists use an hybrid model. They set their flat rates for predictable services like trims based on their hourly profit recommendation and use hourly pricing for service that can vary widely. Would you like me to calculate a safer flat rate for your common services using our profit recommendation? Or would you prefer to explore how to communicate hourly pricing with your clients? Listen, y'all, this is why I built Liquid to give hairstylists clarity in minutes without spreadsheets, without generic answers and advice that doesn't fit your chair. So the next time you're asking yourself, what if? You don't have to wonder. You can ask Liquid. Try it for free. Click the link in the description.